We're looking at procurement people and trying to identify the value of 20 years of experience. So they ran a test, and this is like years ago in the Netherlands. So they ran a test, simple test. They took people with 20 years experience. They had all this data on procurements, right? What was needed, what was spec'd, what they bought, etc. And, quote, they took the information, cut it down to like very little information, then created a simple computer model. And what they did was they had competition. We're going to take the 20-year experience procurement person, we're going to compete them against the computer when the computer had less information. And then they wanted another benchmark. They said, what if somebody didn't know anything? Nothing at all. Let's put them in there. Then they ran their tests. You can see the scores. If you got a perfect score, you got all the procurements right, you got a 0 score. The computer scored 109. The students who knew nothing scored better than the professionals with 20 years experience. Now, at this time when they ran this, and this is many, many years ago, if you ever had research that identified these results, what would they do to this study and the results? Do you think they'd like quickly put it on the internet and this thing would go viral? Absolutely not. They stuck it where the sun never shines. Why? Because it's disruptive. It shows something that doesn't benefit, quote, the masses of traditional people who are actually trying to become procurement professionals. Conclusions are simple. Logic, common sense, minimize the amount of information, minimize the amount of thinking and decision making. 2003, I mean, this happened 20 years ago. Now, what have I proposed to you? I propose to you that experts, by observation, can see the future. They think less, they minimize their decision making, and they make it simple. So they don't need a lot of the information. They don't need somebody doing this to them. Well, by observation, you can tell off this chart, the majority of people are not visionary experts. So the question is, how do we help the industry? How do we help? Because we don't have enough experts, people to become experts. We enlisted the help of automation using metrics, making it simple. This structure can actually be put on, quote, non-expert people. And it actually brings results as if they were almost experts. We're currently testing this out in a DBA thesis at Lille, at the project management school. It's a stunning discovery. But we actually believe if somebody will follow this simple structure, that they'll actually get results that are phenomenal.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions about the best value approach or for Dr. Dean, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get to them in a later video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.